Hello everybody, I'm Vera Lynn and this is Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. Today I'm going to be doing a general reading for my Sagittarius, okay? It could be your sun, moon sign, rising for September 2018. Now, it's a general reading, and when I say general reading, it's going to cover your love, your career, your soul story, the energies, what's going on for September. Alright, for some of you guys who are new and you haven't taken advantage of that free reading yet, all you have to do is subscribe, share any one of my videos. It could be to Facebook, Twitter, the WhatsApp, it doesn't matter, okay? Sharing is caring, guys, okay? And once you have done that, alright, I am pulling one free lucky winner once a week, okay, for an email reading, okay? The email reading, I'll take a picture of the cards for you guys, I'll send it to you and give you a little insight on what that means regarding your question, okay? It is fun. I love getting in touch with you guys, where you're from, your life stories. It's so much fun. And if you can't wait for that opportunity, of course, you can go ahead and ask about the private readings. I am doing right now a special on the pre-recorded, okay? $35 for 30 minutes and $70 for an hour, okay? Pre-recorded. This means you can watch it as many times as you want. This is very popular when people ask me to do a reading regarding, like, say, 2019. That way you can watch it throughout the year, okay? See if things are lining up for you, just to give you some more inspiration, whatever it might be. All right, so for September 2018, just to shout out the energies, Mercury is entering Virgo September 5th, okay? And once it does that, you're going to have a greater access to your unconscious thoughts. This is going to help you focus on your professional manners and even the details in your communication regarding your love life, okay, guys? Remember, this is also the time where you're going to be connecting the dots. You can see later on in the month, what I'll be talking about is the energies are going to kind of change up and kind of give you that willpower and that determination to get things done, okay? In the beginning, it's going to be a little bit more of a reflection. August might have been crazy for you guys, those energies switching up. The whole summer could have been crazy for you guys. In September, in the beginning, it's just to make sure that your seeds are really where they need to be. You're planting the right crops, and at the end of the month, you're going to have the energy to really go forth with things. September 6th, Saturn, all right, is turning direct finally in Capricorn. Okay, that energy is going to be great for your finances, and at the same time, you're also going to be jumping into something different because September 9th, Venus is entering Scorpio, okay? And you have a new moon in Virgo. This is going to also be, perhaps, it's going to uncover some news regarding your finances or something in your family life, but it could be new financial gain, which is exciting, and looking forward to that, right? Also, just to jump back for September 6th, Saturn turning direct in Capricorn, this is also going to deafen your intuition and also probably heighten your sexuality. So that's going to burst you into, I want to say, like, you're going to be shedding a new layer towards that time. Maybe even a little bit later, you're going to be shedding your skin, and towards the end of the month, it's going to be a little bit of a renewal for you. Okay, so you also have Mars entering Aquarius on the 10th. Okay, Mars, the pioneer, the leading in Aquarius, things that are going to kind of like the what if and the freedom, okay, sign. So you can kind of see where that energy is headed for you. So you're going to perhaps have a strong power or determination to express your freedom. Go ahead and do it. Rock with it, right? Burn that bra or whatever it might be. Okay, so for September 21st, Mercury is entering Libra. So you're going to have then a balance in your communication, okay? A more stern judgment. 2, and really knowing which direction, because you've been taking that time in the beginning of the month to really see what it is that you want, and towards the end of the month you're really going to have that balance and motivation to go forward. And you were ending the month September 24th, okay, with a full moon in Aries. Okay, my Sagittarius, this is going to be great because that power, Aries is, you know, the beginners, that pioneer. The full moon manifestation is going to be in that era. Okay, so whatever it is that you're seeking in life, if it's a new project, if it's a new career, a new education, training, whatever it might be, that is going to have a jump start towards it. Okay, I'm really excited to see what your October reading is going to look like. I usually post love readings for September. We'll see if I can get to it that month. My channel kind of has been on a crazy turn. It's for the better, but you know, I feel like I haven't been able to catch up with things. I also am a Virgo myself, so the whole retrogrades, Mercury being retrograde recently, has really turned things up for me. So I'm hoping with you guys coming into September with those crazy energies that were happening with the solar eclipse and all that great stuff, it's in August that you guys have settled down more, finding a balance, and then towards the end of the month really finding what it is that you are seeking. All right, I said this was a reading, right? I really like to go over the energies of the planets and the signs and the changes of the new moons, what's going on, because it really does affect us. Okay, guys, it even plays out through the readings. I'll get similar cards that have perhaps lunar eclipses or that represent the signs. Okay, guys? All right. So that's why I like to go over that. All right. Very important, you guys. Dive into that. For some of you guys who don't know your moon sign, what are you waiting for? Go out and find that out. Your sun sign is your outer social reflection. The moon sign is your inner emotions. So really find it out, and the balance between them is great. I'm sorry, I just like when I see cards like this, like I said, I just talked about all the energies, and I talked about planting your seeds. Are they the right seeds? Are they the right plants? Sorry, that was my computer. The Seven of Pentacles pops out. Yeah. Are you on the right track? Are you even growing the right plant? Are you even in the right field? Okay, guys, this could be regarding your love life, your career. Are you on the right path, or do you have a dead-end career? If so, get rid of it, okay? Is your marriage really providing you what it is you need in life and promoting your life's calling? You know, the person that you are dating, are they right for you? Just anything, really. You guys got to take that step back and really look at it, okay? That's what I am feeling. I'm also getting a slight feeling that for some of you guys, you are perhaps coming into investment, seeing financial growth, okay, too, as well. Your finances, the pentacles, the coins, they're growing like crops for you. Just sitting back watching them, okay? You don't even have to work. All right. Let's see here. There's definitely some lot of stuff going on during this reading that is kind of distracting me. Perhaps things are like that in your life. What is it that's distracting you? Is your place cleaned up and promoting a certain type of lifestyle that is, you know, towards your calling? What is going on? All right. I'm having a whole bunch of cards jump out. But I'm not feeling any of it. That could be you. For some of you guys who are single, you might have a lot of people jumping out at you. I don't know if you're doing Tinder. I don't know. And you're just not feeling it. You're just not getting that connection to it. Your intuition is very important. Oh my. Okay. As you could tell, my intuition went with that. All right. Let's see here. That's the order that it jumped out at. We have the Ten of Pentacles. There is some financial gain for you guys. Like I said that earlier with just talking about the planets. There is some financial gain for you. Maybe also taking a look back on your spending habits and what isn't really a good idea and kind of cutting that off. You would be amazed at how saving, you know, $25 here or there adds up. Every week, take a little bit from your paycheck, cut off that cable or whatever bills that just no longer serve you. The Emperor. All right, so that I have gotten that for just a reading for my Scorpios, okay, and they had the Emperor jump out too as well. This is that Aries. That Aries could be an Aries sign in your life. It could be you having to take a more forceful, direct approach on your life. This, I think, to me, with the jumping out towards the more towards the end of the reading, is the September 24th, the full moon in Aries. That energy is really going to affect you guys. Make sure that you're not a loose cannon by the time that the full moon goes around. Okay, my Sagittarius, you got to make sure that you have your head on your shoulders. Okay, you are ending with the Lovers card. This could be that Gemini. It could be a friend Gemini, somebody in your community that you're getting along with. This could be a potential relationship regarding a Gemini. This, to me, if it's for your career, you're finding a common ground with your coworkers or perhaps employees. Okay, you're finding a common ground and really coming into a union about it, a more utopia, blissful, peaceful environment. Okay, I'll probably use that. Okay. all right, let's see here. What am I thinking for you guys? Because that was a pretty just right out there reading. You guys are going to have a turn in your finances, a more community, okay, regarding your feelings, whether it's your immediate family, it could also be your aunts and uncles, or even your local community, finding more union in that. Okay, because with those retrogrades that we were all in August, okay, that affected a lot of people. So there could have been a lot of tarnished relationships over the past few weeks, just things said that didn't need to be said or whatever it might be. Really coming and finding a common ground and really coming back from that, because now, since we all have taken that time to really take a step back and make sure that what we're doing in life really serves us, you know, it's in the greater good of everybody. Once we all have, you know, gotten our feet back on the ground, you and everybody around you will be able to express yourselves appropriately, and everybody will be so happy. No, I feel there's going to be more unity. You know, there's an awakening for a lot of people. If there are people that are hurting in your life, maybe you want to, you know, give them a hand, whatever it might be. Help them with some chores. If you need help, don't be afraid to reach out. You know, show your friends, you know, card readings. That can always help them. If you need to get yourself a private reading, go ahead and do it. It really can open up your eye and also give you inspiration, okay? All right. Now I am shuffling from the fairies right now. Oh, man. Shout out to Ken there. Your words of wisdom have always been an inspiration to me. I really love reaching out to you guys, hearing your life's past. For a while there, I was doing a lot of free readings for you guys until my channel blew up. And just hearing from where you guys are from, what's going on in your lives, has been really powerful. Healing for me and for you guys. All right, healing emotion. As your heart heals of old emotional pain, you receive new blessings and love. Look at that. I think this card is absolutely beautiful. You can see all of her chakras. For some of you guys that are unbalanced, you know, all your chakras, perhaps you want to go get some Reiki healing. Maybe you want to study Reiki healing yourself. Go ahead and look it up online. It's not that hard to practice on yourself, but I highly recommend, if you can afford it and you have a local facility that offers it, to go get some Reiki healing. I actually had it a couple days ago, and it has done some major healing for me. Coming back from all those retrogrades, I really needed a good Reiki healing, and she did a wonderful job, so I highly recommend you getting out there. If not, just look it up. You know, Reiki, it could also be pronounced Reiki, or I'm sorry, I just said it the same way. Reiki and Reiki, it's I could put a link down below, or you guys can comment me on where to find out your education with that, but I highly recommend getting in touch with that. Maybe getting some crystals in your life to balance your chakras. Eating colorful foods that, you know, coordinate with the chakras themselves is also a great thing to do in life. Detoxing your body, getting grounded, taking off those shoes, and really getting in touch with Mother Nature, that also helps as well. You know, what did I see? I saw that quote once, that drink plenty of water and get some sunlight, because you're pretty much a house plant with more feelings, okay? With complicated feelings. And isn't that true? Okay. All right. Let's see here. I think I'm going to leave it at that, guys. You know, it's been wonderful. I haven't done a reading for you guys in quite some time, and honestly, I've missed it. I have been out of bounds myself. I had to get myself back on a strict meditation schedule, as well as starting to detoxify my body, get rid of those old toxins, and really start to ground myself, okay? And it really kind of rejuvenated myself, so I recommend you guys doing that too as well. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. You guys have a beautiful September.